Hello and welcome. My name is Elizabeth Akinniyi and I am the founder of Flourish and Thrive with EA. I am a certified trauma and relationship therapist, a CBT coach, and also a somatic mind healer and meditation teacher. And I help women to heal from the trauma of a toxic relationship and also childhood trauma and help them to find joy, fulfillment, and discover the best parts of themselves. So that is what I do. At Flourish and Thrive with EA, we ensure that you get the best healing tools that will actually bring you out of any overwhelming situation and begin to help you to heal. Our approach is warm, our approach is compassionate, and it is a safe place where your story will be heard, where your story will be seen. I want you to understand that Flourish and Thrive with EA, we don't take you for lightly because we know you've been through a lot, and we take extra care to give you all the healing tools and to give you all the counseling guides that you can actually need to help people you out. Our goal is to see to it that you become that happy, confident woman once again and rediscover new things about yourself. Go out into the world and shine, and also become a trailblazer, helping other people to see the best in themselves. So what are you waiting for? Click on that dial and let's begin the healing journey together. I'll see you. Bye-bye.